Hi guys, welcome to this channel, a new video with Linux. Today we will do little project. It's gonna be this server performance stats. I'm gonna write a script to analyze basic server performance stats, like it says here. I will follow up this requirement in which we will create and write a script that will analyze basic system performance stats. So let's start with creating. Let's open terminal. Okay, we do not have npstat, so we're gonna install it. npstat, so we're gonna do it with apt install and let's enable it. Okay, as we can see on CPU, it states all. It's gonna average all CPU cores, and as we can see, idle is 93.4.
Toto,
Eto,
Neko,
Meiko?
Sope, Teman.
Okay, now let's start creating the script that will monitor CPU usage. First, what I will do is to add scripts directory to the path. So let's do that. And I will add it as a source. So just a note, this path here is gonna expand like to home user. I don't need to write here username because this home is gonna automatically go into user. So now let's continue creating the script. Let's save it. So it's there, server stats. Let's make it executable and let's test it. Okay, now you see CPU usage percentage, but we do not see any amount of percentage. So we need to fix that to see what's the problem with that. So now let's fix this issue with not showing CPU usage. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, it's working here. So the problem is in the script. Let's test the path so we can see is it script directory inside the path. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, yeah, I can see it here. Let's now fix the script again. Okay, I see here. Maybe that's the issue. Maybe that was the issue. Actually possible. Just a second. Let's check with this one. Actually leave it like this. Let's remove that one. Let's see. Maybe that was the issue. Yeah, that was the issue. But now you see CPU usage 228%. Okay, so the issue was typo error, but now it's working properly. Now we can run this script from any directory because it's in the path. So now we are ready to extend with memory, disks, and process monitoring in next steps. Let's see how we're gonna do that. Let's edit this server stats script again. Let's continue. Let's test it and see if it's gonna work now. Okay, I have typo error here. That's why it's... Maybe, let's see. Let's change it a little bit because I'm having these issues. So let's just fix that. Okay, let's do again like previous one and make it different. So obviously this way doesn't work. So we're gonna call it just one time again with read. And let's check it again. Okay. Now we have CPU usage for 4%, memory usage, disk usage 92%. Cool. Okay, it's working. Okay, let's continue and add more stuff to this script. Okay, now we have solved the issue. The issue was somewhere typo error that I did not find, so the easiest way that I did was just to copy paste previous one and just change to memory. Yeah, like you saw here. I just copy paste this one, replace this one and just change to memory instead of CPU, because I had somewhere typo error that I could not see and find. So that was the easiest way how to solve that. Okay, now we have fully working script. This project you can find on this website, roadmap, and you have in project details, server performance stats, with the requirements how you should make this script and this project. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.